Alrighty, we are live. And I already noticed something wrong. We gotta fix the day one outlooks and all that. Let me we got this. We got let me refresh this. What up? How are you, bro? Refresh. Alright. Where we got it. Alright. What's up, bro? How are you? So yeah, basically right now we're just still covering Hurricane Idalia. Now we're talking tornadoes with this. So we do have a tornado watch out. So we have a couple tornado warnings. One of which is actually was pretty decent on velocity. So yeah, we're just gonna be covering this. Maybe not for too long. We'll do it for like maybe like 2 hours max. But yeah, and let me undeafen real quick. Let me go right here. Give me a second, y'all. All right, there you go. Yeah, I do know there was a tornado. I know definitely a warning. Uh, yeah. All right. I'm joined by Carson and Ethan. So, if they have something, they'll. Also, I'm joined by TRG. Also, obviously. So they'll say if they got anything. So we'll be covering this for a little while. Thank you to everyone who's joined already. Man, Nightbot is already catching people. Man, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, Nightbot. Oh, and okay. That is crazy. All right. But yeah, so we are. Let me open this real quick. I've been trying to get my radar Omega to work. It hasn't been working at all. We'll see if it works real quick. Let me just go right here. Yeah, yeah, dude, my radar Omega has not been working the past couple of days. I don't know what's wrong with it. But yeah. Um yeah, definitely some decent rotation with this storm right now. We are like should I invest in a paid radar? I would I would recommend if you're super into weather, I would recommend definitely Radar Omega. I love Radar Omega. It's definitely a good software. But right now I'm just having problems with Radar Omega. That's it. You have all these warnings and stuff. Let's go right here. Of course. Oh, no problem, man. Trying to do the best I can. I trust you more than anybody. You're usually always accurate as well. Yeah, I try to be. I don't really like doing clickbait stuff. That's not how you're gonna get somewhere. You're just gonna be known as someone that clickbaits, and I don't like people that clickbait. It's because I'm not in it for like the money. I'm just here to do it just because is what I love doing. 21 continues for Colleton County, South Carolina. Yeah, definitely. I do see a hook too. Definitely with this storm, we gotta watch out for any storm that that comes. There's still lightning near, I think, what would be the eye wall, but I think that's, definitely dissipated already. Can I help you with my radar mega? I mean, I'm good right now. I mean, I just kind of bummed out it's not working, but I mean, I'm cool right now. I got a couple softwares up. Got actually three. Yeah, we got three softwares. But yeah, and let's see what. Hmm, that's interesting. The rainfall outlook is kind of crazy. But yeah, so we are, like I said, we're definitely just watching this. Wish I could do a longer loop, but like I said, radar mega is not working, and that's how I usually do my longer loops. I can try to do. Let me last 2 hours. Let's see if this works. See, it's not really working, so definitely need a definitely storm surge is gonna be start getting a problem. That's definitely for sure. All right. Yeah, definitely storm surge in South Carolina and Georgia still gonna be ongoing problem. It shouldn't be as bad as what Florida got, but let me just make sure. Um, where is this at? I just forgot what I'm looking for. There we go. So we're gonna go right here. And this thing's speeding up too. Moving now northeast. Yeah, northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Lucky, I don't know if you want to deafen or not. That's up to you.
Yeah, that's fine. Just text me or DM me if you have anything, and I'll undeafen.
All right.
Alrighty. So yeah, I'm joined by TRG, Ethan, and Carson right now. So they'll be here for a little while. Actually, the whole stream probably. Huh. Definitely still the wind field is pretty big actually. I mean, all right, we're looking at storm surge. Wonder what this is. This is hmm. All right, storm surge. So if I did get any wins, it would be tonight if I did get any, but not expecting any. I'm not expecting anything too big for me, but we'll see. All right, peak storm surge. Yeah, definitely. South Carolina and parts of North Carolina, 2 to 4 feet, 1 to 3 feet, and some places have 3 to 5 feet. And still right now with Florida, still 5 to 8 feet of storm surge near Keaton Beach. But yeah, we're gonna yeah, definitely like I said, this storm surge is definitely gonna be a problem, especially even in North and South Carolina. It's gonna be pretty crazy. 1 to 3 feet or 3 to 5 feet doesn't seem like a lot, but it's for the people that are on the coast. It's gonna be a lot. So yeah, definitely Definitely something crazy. Let's see if we got US. So he says I'm barely gonna get any rain either, but I don't know about that. I think I'm gonna get maybe not so much rain, maybe like an inch or two. Maybe cause some minor flash flooding. Yeah, there was 18 feet of storm surge. We actually covered that live too. See what this says. Um, all right. So yeah, we're about to get an update also in about an hour. So yeah, I hope everyone's having a good day today. Is there any way I can help? I mean, I don't really need help at the moment, but if I do need help, I will let you know. 'Cause I shouldn't need any help right now. Like I said, I'll let you know. So definitely still some hurricane force winds possible. This was at actually this was at 8 a.m. I think. Hmm. Definitely a big win for tropical storm force winds. That's definitely gonna be something to look out for. Now we're gonna check the warnings. We got this tornado warning right now. Doesn't look to be on the ground, but there could be a lot of like brief tornadoes that happen today. So I would not be surprised if yeah, SPC actually has a yeah something for both streams. All right, let me undef real quick.
In South Carolina, that is not rotating much at all right now, so that is great news. They just disextended that tornado warning. I mentioned that a couple minutes ago. So, Cottageville, you're now way outside of this tornado warning. It's to your northeast.
Hey
All
TRG.
right, yeah.
I was told
What
that
you got?
I was told that Carson has something.
Yeah, I thought so.
So he has something for both
Carson,
of us.
nothing.
We'll see. Give him a second.
I do see that Ethan sent NATO cast in here.
Oh yeah.
Wow, whoa. Which I didn't realize till just now actually has a large, significant
Yeah,
region.
yeah, I was about to say, is that 15 sig?
Yeah, that is a 10 and 15 sig tornado probability right there, which is very weird. I would not be trusting NATO cast with tropical systems.
Yeah, they've known to, overdo tropical systems, but I mean, I see why, because water spouts and hurricanes, tornadoes can happen with them at any point.
Yeah, for sure.
I see why they
Uh,
did that, but a little too high.
yeah, that's just mainly telling us the ingredients are favorable for tornadoes. But yeah, I guess we'll just wait till Carson has something. So talk to you soon.
And as soon as we said that, look what just got sent. Or actually, no, he just yeah, never mind. I guess he went back on deafen. So we'll go back on def real quick. But yeah, my radar have velocity. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they do, but I think you have to pay. I could have sworn I one time paid for it on accident, and I didn't know it. I'm gonna check on my other. Let me see. I do remember having it at one point. Yeah, apparently I don't remember, but apparently I have it. I mean, you could check, go to like the layers and go to per station, see if it works. But definitely, I did not know that I actually had it. So, alright, guys, give me like 1 minute. Alright, my bad, y'all. I had to do something real quick. Alright, so right now we don't have any tornado warnings, but we do have a lot of we do have some flash flood warnings that are considerable still. We had some wind reports also, and some rain reports about. So I think apparently 3.7 inches of rain have already fallen there. 3.4 inches of rain, 3.5, 4.1. Whoa. Let me all right. Hmm. 46 mile per hour wind gusts there. All right. All right. My bad. I had to check something, but yeah. All right. We're, just still covering this. We're going to be here for, about a couple hours. But yeah, we're gonna we're just gonna, check on the severe weather as, it's ongoing and we have a 10% chance for seeing some tornadoes. So definitely something to look out for. I do think, and plus we're watching as you see the storms or rain moving onto land, that's just pushing more waves onto shore. As the storm surge is supposed to, max. I think they said like 3 to 5 feet, but that is fine. That is fine. At least it's not at least 12 feet, but still 3 to 5 feet is still pretty intense. But that's let's see. Let's see some of these reports. I wonder how many reports have we seen today already. Pretty sure I can check real quick. Also, power outages is a big thing. 280,000 people are out of power in Florida, and almost 200,000 people are out of power in Georgia. So that's gonna start being a big problem. So about, almost 500,000 people without power and come out with 2 states. So that's that's pretty crazy. But yeah, let's see. TRG has anything.
Software has a much better spectrum width with it,
Hey,
and as well
TRG,
as storm relative velocity. But that doesn't even show it too well. What you got, Lucky?
have you seen anything like that's noticeable? That could be, tornado one or anything.
Just south of Georgetown. There's that one special marine warning that we've been talking about for a while. It looks quite concerning, quite a strong couplet of rotation with that, but it's a little bit hard to depict because of the storm motion with it and the speed of the storm. Hence, why you're seeing like green and green next to each other. So it's really hard to see just how strong that area of rotation is, but it is quite a good region of rotation.
Yeah.
Gracious. I don't see
Uh,
that strong rotation on my end, Ethan. Let's see. Oh yeah, I do. Dude, that's about 120 mile per hour rotation right there, Lucky.
what using what radar?
115, 120, the KLTX radar. What is that?
Wilmington.
Yeah,
TRG, just to hop in there, I don't think it's that good or that sorry bad. Um,
that's
I was
that's
using
high up.
kilometers, so it's 130 kilometers per hour rotation, which is somewhere along the lines of 80 or 90 kilometer or miles per hour.
Well, I looked at it with my radar, which has 100 touching 24 or so, which would be about 120 mile an hour rotation there. But we are looking 8,000 feet in the atmosphere here, so definitely keep that in mind when you're looking at this radar software. And what were you talking about, Lucky? I just forgot for some reason.
Um, I'm gonna be honest, I don't even remember. But
Yeah,
definitely,
there's a lot of water spouts ongoing right now,
oh
probably
yeah,
close to 10.
oh yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah,
But yeah, someone in my chat said that there's a hook near Cottageville.
that was a
That's
long time ago.
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
That area of rotation is I mean that's just embedded into rain showers now. Yeah, there's nothing there. But yeah,
Yeah, we got a lot of
just
wind reports also and rain, flash flooding.
rain reports, Lucky.
Yeah, literally said, flash flooding. That's what I meant.
I'm quite sure we know it's raining.
You know what I mean, bro.
Yeah. Definitely inside those flash flood warnings, that's for sure. We've seen I believe we saw upwards of a foot of rainfall in that flash flood emergency overall. It was earlier this morning. So definitely flash flooding is a big concern just like we expected. And yeah.
Yeah. Also, that storm surge, you can just tell the rain's, just pushing onto land. So you can only imagine what the winds are pushing all those waves onto land. So
Yeah.
Florida's still getting about, I think it's NHC said 5 to 8 feet of storm surge. I don't know how,
Five
I don't know
That's
how,
probably because it's still active, Lucky.
yeah.
You know, it's still there.
Oh yeah, it's still there
Yeah.
and all.
Not an additional one, but
Yeah,
yeah. Um Seems like we have had two fatalities from this hurricane.
yeah, which which really sucks.
Yeah, so two confirmed fatalities right now from this hurricane. And to be honest, I'm not too surprised considering how early in the morning this impacted Florida.
Oh yeah,
A lot of people that I know, especially on social media, I've seen it everywhere. People didn't know about this hurricane until like literally 12 hours before landfall. They knew about it when we started going live yesterday night. Like that's when the majority of people in Florida started realizing that this is actually going to hit them, which I'm not sure how, because I know for a fact us weather enthusiasts have reached over 2 million people in Florida. So yeah, not just like me alone, but the weather community has reached about 2 million people in Florida. So, I mean, I'm surprised. I'm quite surprised that people didn't know this was heading their way, considering how weather aware Florida is as well.
yeah.
All
Um,
right, there's that new special marine warning as well. That's
that's
going to
near
be
Myrtle Beach also.
now. There's a new one in Sullivan Island. Sullivan's Island. My bad. That's warned for water spout radar indicated in 35 knots, which is about 40-mile-an-hour winds. Can't see that with radar too well because it's in between both of our radar sites. But yeah, just
Yeah.
let me know when you got something.
Alrighty.
Okay.
But yeah. Yeah. That really sucks. Two people dead already confirmed.
Ethan, me and Lucky will just stay muted, and then if you got something, you can just interrupt us. It's perfectly fine.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. Yeah. I really definitely praying for those families that lost like a loved one. It really sucks. Yeah. Also, if you guys haven't already, make sure you like the stream. It helps YouTube push the stream out to more people, and it it helps YouTube do its thing and push the stream out so we could get more people and let them know what is coming their way, basically. So yeah, definitely. Yes, and also if you haven't already, definitely subscribe. I should be doing lots of more coverages soon. Although school is starting very very actually tomorrow, so we'll see. Yeah, we'll definitely see what's gonna happen with the system. I'm supposed to get some rain tonight.
Hey TRG, just on that storm in Georgetown, it looks to be strengthening as it's heading towards shore, which even shows a little bit of hail on my radar, which is not too common in these hurricane environments.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and look at that. You said St. George?
Georgetown, just
Georgetown.
south of there, and using KCLX or
All right,
KITX.
thank
Hmm.
you.
Yeah, that's yeah, you're definitely right. Definitely looks like it's maybe strengthening almost the rotation and stuff. That's definitely kind of crazy. Yeah, after today's stream, it may slow down on uploads just a little bit because I'm gonna be focusing on school. I'll probably maybe do one upload a week or maybe one or two streams a week until I get all my school stuff situated and I can find a schedule. But I'll definitely keep posting. I'm not gonna just stop because of school. Still gotta upload, especially if there's a hurricane making landfall or any tropical system making landfall. I'm definitely gonna cover that. Obviously, if it's on a weekend, that would be better for me because I can actually like stay up and stuff. But if it's like the next day for school, then I might just I don't know. I'll figure that out soon. But yeah, definitely definitely watching this storm right now. This special marine warning where it could possibly turn to a tornado when it gets to land. Man, this thing's crazy. Hmm. Definitely still some strong winds with it. I know right here is up to like 50-mile-per-hour winds. So we're definitely gonna be as you know hurricanes tend to lose strength when they get on land.
ATRG, on the storm that you were just or that you are talking about, it was really weak a little while ago, and it looks to be tightening up just as it comes on land.
Yeah, yeah, I see that quite closely there. You said, is that like the Surfside Beach one near Myrtle Beach, or is it the one south of Georgetown that you just recently talked about?
Yeah, it's the one near Myrtle Beach. The Georgetown one is also actually no, that one looks to be decreasing in strength. But I was talking about the Myrtle Beach one.
Yeah, yeah, definitely see that. Thank you.
Yeah. Um. Yeah. Today was definitely a really busy day. So I'm glad I got to cover this landfall. I try to get as much word out to people anywhere in like Georgia, South Carolina, Florida. Try to get word out to people, but definitely I don't know. Definitely gotta stay weather aware also. Hmm. We gotta stay weather aware, especially when these catastrophic hurricanes hits. So definitely something to for future references. Definitely got to you know like I said, stay weather aware and just I know definitely just try to get as much alert as possible because these things can be life threatening. This definitely was a life threatening storm. As you know, there's two confirmed people who have two fatalities confirmed, which is very sad. Yeah, this really sucks. I mean, I love tracking hurricanes, but I don't like it when they hit land and hits people and all that. I just man,
Hey
it's
TRG, about those storms on the water,
pretty
they
bad.
look to be weakening as an overall like system there. But that could change as they come on shore. Just something I observed and thought you should know.
Yeah, I think they'll definitely strengthen as they go over land, either strengthen or weaken. Let's see.
We might wanna explain how tropical tropical tornadoes form.
All right.
Yeah, basically, with the whole thing, like spinning and all that just moves like Raymans and all the storms onto land, and that just that itself, the whole system, like is spinning and all. So it definitely just oh if anyone is in my chat, is stream buffering? YouTube saying that stream is buffering. I can check that real quick. If anyone's there in chat, just let me know if it's buffering at all. Yeah, as you can just see this loop. There's the main part of it. Earlier we had a very strong eyewall with this storm. It was rapidly intensifying as it got to land because there was so much lightning in that eyewall that when it slammed Florida, it was really crazy. But yeah, all right, definitely.
Hey TRG, I just sent you a.
Yeah, hold on.
That's my bad. I forgot to mute
Mm.
my side, but I just sent you something in Discord that's definitely worth noting. That is sounding I pulled
Oh
from
wow,
the
yeah,
Georgia South Carolina coast border area.
wow,
Alrighty.
that sounding is insane. Yeah, we have a PDS tour sounding. That is wow, very, very very decent photograph too with that. That is crazy. But yeah, definitely want to definitely get a good amount of coverage in for these for the severe weather part of this hurricane. I think we're about to get an update in about 30 minutes anyways, so I will let y'all know what that update says. I think it may almost get, you know, I think it may stay hurricane status. I don't know if anything is gonna go, to like 70 mile per hour winds, tropical storm force winds, which would be like 5 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour short of a hurricane, because 74 miles per hour is hurricane status. So yeah, that's definitely, yeah, definitely it's still a hurricane though, even over all this land and stuff. That's definitely crazy. Definitely gotta Still gotta watch out for storm surge and all that for Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina, and even parts of still Florida also. Still gotta watch out for a storm surge. I see this too. These special marine warnings also coming onto land now. I mean, as you can see right here, there's lots of lightning in a lot of lightning activity. So could be that'd be crazy if it's strengthening over land, so but it could be strengthening just a little bit, but nothing much at all. But definitely, that's where that eyewall was. I'm pretty sure, like around there, where that all that lightning is. Definitely something to definitely something to note about that about this system. Yeah, you can just see all this Let me go right here real quick and all right, let me do this. Let's see if this is better. Yeah, definitely a lot of heavy rain with this system. I'm about to start seeing impacts from this system very soon, actually. Let me see. About to get some rain too. Apparently, I'm under like a tropical weather statement, so we'll see what that says real quick. All right, so I think they're calling for maybe some hmm. Yeah, that is crazy. Yeah, we're gonna stay alive for like another hour and 20 minutes, and then we'll call it quits there. All right. All right. We're definitely gonna be watching these storms as they come onto land. Definitely could become tornadic. Would not be surprised at all. Some of these storms that are off the coast have some lightning with it, so definitely something to note. All right. Let's see if I can find anything that's it looks like it looks like it's rotating or anything. Definitely, if you're in a flood prone area, definitely be indoors. Definitely, definitely, don't try to go outside, and especially when it's flooding outside, because flooding waters can like rise really quickly, especially if you're in a flood prone area. So yeah, I wish we had some cameras near the coast right now because that would be I would want to see, what's happening with the storm surge and all. Let's see if we have. We still have I think we still have storm surge. Yeah, parts of Florida are now seeing blue skies, so definitely that's good to see. The aftermath of this is probably really bad, but hmm. All right, we're gonna. So yeah, this system's already spreading into North Carolina also. Maybe parts of eastern North Carolina, southeastern North Carolina, maybe even close to central North Carolina is gonna be getting some rain soon. All right. Let's see. All right. Definitely, if you're still here, if you haven't already, then definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely like the stream. It helps YouTube push the stream out to more people. We can let them know what weather's coming their way. But yeah, it's definitely really, really insane. This system is definitely will go down in history. Um, looking for anything that looks suspicious, like any couplets or anything. Oh, what was that? Okay, thought I saw something. We still gotta watch these storms as they move onto land, so definitely something to note. Hmm. We're gonna watch this storm. We still gotta watch, definitely for the coast for tornadoes. Whoever just subscribed, thank you. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I hope you come back for future streams. Yeah, we still have flash flood warnings for near parts of west of Savannah, Georgia. Definitely wanna definitely still stay indoors because actually, yep, yep, new sub. We're one away from 150. Let's see. Um, we're gonna go right here. We go to storm total accumulation. Yeah, that is wow. 7, 8 inches of rain. That is insane. Definitely gotta watch, the rainfall. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, hope all of y'all are staying safe out there. It's really really it's still really bad out there. In 20 minutes we're about to get another NHC update for the system. So yeah, we'll just wait for that and Yeah, so we're gonna end around 7 o'clock ish. We started at like six. We started at 3:55, so we'll end at like 5:55 to make it like a 2-hour stream. Cause I got school tomorrow. I gotta prepare and all that. I get some good sleep tonight.
I tell Lucky and Ethan this as well. Lucky, can I talk to you for a second? And Ethan?
Yep.
All right, so I don't know if y'all know, but the like the brightest and biggest moon of 2023 is gonna happen tonight around 9:30 p.m. Eastern. It's
Hmm.
the super moon. So
I
yeah, I
already
just
got my telescope out.
sweet. Yeah, I just remembered that. So I just wanted to say because it is quite a significant day for the moon.
Yeah, I
It's
won't.
gonna
I
be
won't be
very,
able to
very
see it.
bright. You won't. It's gonna be cloudy. What's gonna be happening?
Rain from the system.
Really? Because right now the National Hurricane Center has you getting no rain.
That's
There's
crazy.
yeah. I think it's raining though in your area right now. No, it's not. I thought it was.
Near my area, it's raining.
It's just barely to your south. But yeah, I
It's
just
gonna
wanted to
be
mention it.
clouded though.
Have
I'm
you
gonna
guys
go a little bit
seen?
without rain.
Yeah, really. You got that big old high pressure. After this system's done, Lucky will probably be dry for the next 9 days, is what it looks like.
Yeah. I
So
think.
we'll probably get in a drought.
I think there's. I think that there's a. What was it? That cold front that's stopping the system from me getting rain. It's blocking all the rain. If you look at my radar site
Oh yeah,
and watch it, just loop it. Even the light rain is getting like
that
dissipated.
cold front though is way off to your west,
That's
Lucky.
what
The
I'm
cold
saying.
front's not
So
sitting right there. That's probably more in association with the high pressure rather than the low.
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Um.
Ooh. It's a storm off to
Something
your
I'd
north
like
though.
to.
All right, go
Something
ahead,
I want
Ethan.
to talk about is there's this Georgetown storm. If you go on KCLX, it is looking pretty healthy as a supercell. It's also looking good on KLTX as well, but it's definitely looking better on the higher or upper levels.
Yeah, wonder if that rotation is hitting the lower levels. We'll just have to see. But remember, radar's still scanning about 6,000 feet in the atmosphere, so still pretty high up there, like you said. All right.
Yeah,
Anything or we good?
yeah. Just
Yeah,
waiting for
there
his
looks to be
update.
a couple of mesos coming on shore near Myrtle Beach, though.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. Keeping an eye on that, like Lucky said, waiting for the update as well.
Yep.
Wow, some really strong mesos. Wow. Alrighty.
All right. All right. We're gonna we're gonna definitely look at definitely still these storms. It's still gonna be like a 10% chance for seeing some tornadoes today. So definitely still gotta be weather aware. Like I said, I'm looking anywhere for any couplets. So we'll see that. I'm not sure where this is, but let's see. Oh, yeah, you can already see some couplets, especially on this storm right here. Yep, there's one couplet right here. You have another one right here. But yeah, let's see.
Hey, TRG, just whenever you're done what you're doing.
Yeah, go ahead.
I just wanted to bring up something else a little bit on the Canadian side. The entire province of Nova Scotia is underneath an excessive rainfall warning.
Wow, the
Th-
entire Providence.
Yeah, they've been getting hammered with rain lately.
I'll go ahead and turn that on real quick just to see it. But yeah, thanks for telling me that.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
wow.
on the East Coast.
Hey guys, I got something. So, you ready?
What you got?
All
Yep,
right.
yep.
So go out just off the coast of northern Myrtle Beach. It just if
Let
you
me-
see Myrtle Beach, just go east. It's offshore. Just look at that. Look, there's a couple right there using the KTLX radar.
All right, let me go look at that real quick. So
Is
KTLX, you said?
yeah, it's a decent couplet.
Is it just barely off the coast of Myrtle Beach or where?
Barely off the coast from Myrtle Beach. I would say if I had to give you an estimate, 10 miles.
So that first couplet that you hit dead east, is that the one
Yeah.
you're talking about? Yeah, I saw that. It had a really well-defined hook as well. We actually just talked about that, and that couplet died out last scan.
Yep.
Yeah, completely died out now. Good job, Lucky.
It is. Alright, well, my radar hasn't updated yet, so I'm on the scan for at 4:43. So 3 minutes ago, I have that scan.
Hold on. There's another one. Are you talking about the first one or the second one? There's a more broad area.
I
Uh,
think
Not
he's talking about the one that's a little bit more towards the east.
Yeah, I
but
just saw that
let me
one.
can you look at my screen real quick? I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah, that's the one that just died out, and the one east of that is the one I thought you were talking about. And we have a tornado warning in Georgia.
Tornado warning in Georgia.
Thanks for letting me know that, Lucky. I wouldn't have seen that if it wasn't for your software. That
Yeah,
had to just get issued, right?
yeah, it just got issued.
Yeah, like
14
5
seconds ago.
seconds ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, I am very surprised that there's a warning because that is right at the low pressure. I did not expect that whatsoever. Oh, great.
Huh. Yeah, well,
Um, is it just my radar or has the radar site KCLX initiated 5-minute radar scans now?
let me see.
Like I'm only
Um,
getting it
Right now I'm
every
getting two
5 minutes.
minutes.
yeah, it's on 2-minute scans for me.
Oh, there we go. I got it back. All
Yeah,
right.
2 minutes.
Thanks for pointing that out. Definitely watch that for sure.
Alrighty.
Oh, and we just got a warning. That was the one Ethan was talking about.
The Georgetown one.
Uh,
Or
no, it's actually more to the west. I see that for sure. Look at that. Quite tight couplet there, Lucky.
KCLX.
KLTX is what I'm using, but I could use the other radar software. Oh yeah, both of them show it really well defined. Yeah, definitely
So it's
the
got another tornado warning.
KCLX. Yeah, that's the one in South Carolina. I just said that.
Okay.
Yeah. So that one's definitely way tighter. But I'll be watching that storm off the coast of Myrtle Beach as well. So thanks for pointing that out.
Yep. Ooh. Okay. That is that's definitely some still tight rotation. We got now we got two tornado warnings. Right now we're gonna be just covering it right now. We're looking at. Let's see, where is this at? There was a lot of oh, what is that? That's a couplet. Wonder what that is. That's right here. That's definitely a couplet. That's probably a water spout ongoing. But right now we're gonna be watching these two tornado warning storms. But yeah, pretty sure I'm pretty sure it's radar indicated. Yeah, radar indicated, and this other one is also radar indicated, most likely. Radar indicated. Flash flood warnings just also got issued. As much as 46 inches of rain has fallen already today. Wow. Especially if you're in that flash flood warning area. Like I said, about 4 to 6 inches have probably already fallen. Yeah, but yeah, but TVS on or threshold on that. Not surprised. We're gonna go right here. definitely it's definitely a bad event, bad storm. Definitely like I said, we've already had two confirmed fatalities with this system. It's not not fun at all. Yeah. All right. Let's see. And then we got the update. Guys, has now been downgraded to tropical storm status, 70-mile-per-hour winds.
All right, I see that, Lucky.
All right.
I was honestly expecting that because
Yeah.
I haven't seen anything that is a credible source for hurricane force winds in the last 4 hours, really.
Yeah.
Ever since this thing hit southeastern Georgia.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so definitely weakening considerably there.
Are they still doing hourly updates or did they stop doing that?
I am quite sure they stopped.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they stopped after they got downgraded made to category one strength or maybe
Probably the
even
next
two.
update after landfall. So I imagine they stopped hourlies at 9 p.m. or
9 p.m.
9 a.m.
I'm about to say.
9 a.m. 9 a.m. Eastern.
I wish you had cameras
So
on the coast. I want to see, how bad the storm surge is, because they're calling for up to like 3 to 5 feet.
we do have cameras on the coast, Lucky.
Carolinas.
No, definitely not
That's
Carolinas.
what I'm saying.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about Florida.
Oh yeah. Well,
Um,
duh. We
what
we're watching
what
this morning.
what's your thoughts? What's your thoughts on that tornado warning in southern South Carolina using
Um,
the KC-LX radar? I think there's some marginal corruption going on there.
maybe, but definitely, there's definitely rotation. Just that's for sure.
It's
Now,
right over the Green Bay area.
now if you go to the KLTX, you go out to sea, like way out to sea. There was a threshold that got a
More concerned about the active tornado warning right now.
yeah.
I
Oh
can go and just
yes,
check
special marine
offshore though,
warning.
because that is important just to see if there's anything crazy. And that's, dude, that's probably producing a strong water spout. I'm
That's what I'm
not even gonna
saying.
lie.
Yeah,
Yeah, water spout radar indicated. It's on the ground, on the water.
Whereabouts are you guys looking?
it's the
What now?
special. It's the
It's
special
dead
marine warning.
south. Yeah, it just got special marine warning. Dead south of the KLTX radar site.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah.
Oh wow. See, I have a
Oh,
we have a camera down at Myrtle Beach. I'm gonna try to get
look
that feed.
look east of Myrtle Beach, Lucky. That couplet's wrapping up rapidly as well. Over the last literally one scan, it's gotten way tighter here.
145-kilometer-hour rotation on it.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna get back to the tornado warnings, but thanks for saying that, Lucky.
Yep,
Hold on. What's the wind speeds on that? 65?
70.
Ah, okay. Thanks.
So yeah, um, it's all right. Definitely, Myrtle Beach is experiencing some heavy rain right now. Wonder if this is. Yep, that has a couple of two right there. That's a possible water spout also. All right, definitely, definitely something to note about those water spouts as they, approach land. Let's see, where is it at right here? Thing that you can indicate the water spout using the the Ville product vertically integrated vertically integrated liquid. Yeah, TRG.
Got something for us. What you got, Lucky?
So, I think we talked about this before, like I think last night. But if you use the VIL product for that special marine warning, you could definitely see increased values. I wonder if that's indicating that water spout. It's just something that I thought I may indicate it. You can look at that if you want.
Do you happen to be using GR2?
Yeah.
So VIL. Let me see if I can find that product. Where is it under? Is it under? Oh, I see it.
Yeah, second row middle.
Yeah. Interesting.
I wonder if that's if so. Then we have so many water spouts.
I mean, it wouldn't surprise me. Like I've said so many times, this whole line's rotating.
Oh wow, near
Oh, wow.
North Myrtle Beach.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's gonna...
that's gonna wow. Oh,
How did that ever tighten up rapidly?
and use that. If that's a water spout, that's a big water spout.
It is. It is definitely a water spout for sure. They will special marine warn that any second.
Yeah, and it's about to go
And
into lane
maybe
too.
even do a early tornado warning for that. And that's going to be heading right in between Myrtle Beach and Atlantic Beach.
That's right where
Better not be where your beach house is located.
that is exactly where it's at.
Uh-oh. That ain't good. Nobody's there, right?
Don't think so, but
Yeah. I'm definitely going to watch that for sure. Multiple cells for sure to watch now.
all right. Yep. Definitely, they got a special marine warning that this storm right here. We did get continuation for that not severe, uh, tornado warning storm in South Carolina. All right, definitely, here in Oklahoma, you're safe. Yeah, definitely from this system, you're definitely safe from that. Tornado warning continues for Georgia.
So I've just been reading a paper, right? And it's by the National Weather Service, and apparently we're saying water spouts wrong.
Really?
Yeah, they're just called spouts. Water spouts are like a land spout when it's not with a mesocyclone, and spouts are occurring with a mesocyclone.
Hmm.
Well, they
If
always
you
do the warnings for water spouts. I've never seen a spout
Yeah.
before.
you want, I could link the paper. It's on page 2 where I saw that first paragraph.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. I never knew that. Well, I'll just start calling them rotating things then.
Rotating things.
I mean, come on now.
Like who's
I ain't
gonna?
gonna get too technical.
Danger noodles.
It's definitely, it's definitely good to correct yourself for sure, but not really, too important there between the distinction of a water spout and a spout. So you said the main difference is a
TRG.
mesocyclone?
That thing that special marine warn. I
Yeah.
kid you not, it's in the direct path of it.
What's in the direct path of
That
it?
that uh that
Oh,
couple.
oh,
Oh.
oh. Jeez, yeah. So you're talking about the one that just got.
Special.
Jeez.
Oh, I'm gonna keep an eye on that one.
So is that a spout or a water spout?
Water spout.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
think that's a spout.
No, they haven't one for water spout.
Oh, well,
Dude, it's in
Yeah.
like direct path. Oh my.
even they're messing up with their terminology.
Yeah. That's why I wouldn't worry about it too much. Like I said, it's still very important to be correct about that, but let's see.
TRG, this is just for this is just for y'all to see.
Yeah, okay, so they call them both water spouts and spouts from what I see.
Guys,
They
look at
said
the
we refer to water spouts and weak tornadoes, which affect the eastern portion of Florida as spouts. So I guess it's just a quicker way of saying it, maybe.
Maybe. But Lucky's um second house, I forgot what it was,
beach house.
is in the direct path
Direct.
of
Look at that,
this,
TRG. Direct path.
the middle of the warning.
Dude. Yeah, that's gonna go tornado warned here soon.
I,
If it keeps up this couplet.
we have a doorbell camera. I'm gonna get that up.
No way. Like he
Ooh,
actually sees like a water
if the
spout.
doorbell's facing the water, yeah, I was just about to say that.
No, it's not. It's not gonna face the water. It's gonna be facing like a robot. Just be looking for a.
Clouds.
No, there's too many trees. If anything, we're gonna see. The only thing that we could see is a tornado. If anything, that's the only thing you would be able to see.
Alright.
But yeah, I'll let y'all. I'll keep you updated about it. Alrighty, so that is. Yeah, yeah. This is going right for a beach house. Huh. Definitely. All right. So that's good. Looks like it just weakened a little bit. Here we go right here. Hmm. All right. We're gonna go back to covering these. What's it called? Tornado warnings right now. Yeah, we'll probably end in about
Hey, TRG, just whenever you're ready.
about like 53 minutes. All right.
Go ahead, Ethan.
All right, I just wanted to talk about those special marine warnings and like supercells offshore. That one special marine warning that was headed towards Southport is now dying off, but there looks to be one strengthening just towards the south of um, Myrtle Beach. It looks very
Um
tight on radar.
like maybe east of Georgetown, perhaps.
Yeah, east of
All right.
Georgetown.
That is very difficult to tell if it's contamination or rotation. We'll see shortly here if they tornado warn that or not. But thanks for pointing that out.
I think they said Georgetown. Oh yeah, that's definitely something to point out. To not point out. Watch out for. All right. Um. Yeah, definitely. We're gonna see if we have any live cams.
Ethan, you got something?
Yeah, I just wanted to say some good news for Lucky.
Yeah.
That thing looks to be
All right, here we go. I had to mute stuff. Here we go.
but that looks to be fully corruption now.
Yeah. So southeast of the one that's near Georgetown. Oh, is it the one out there in the water still? Like well out into the
Yeah,
ocean?
well out into the ocean, heading towards Myrtle Beach, Myrtle Beach.
I do
Yeah,
have a
I see
live
that
cam.
now.
I do have a live cam in Myrtle Beach. Can't tell if it's
All right.
frozen or that's what it looks like right now. I can't even tell.
Can you look at the water, see if it's moving?
The- Oh, yeah,
If
it's
the water
moving.
ain't, yeah, then it's live. That's what I always look at because I'm like, is this a still image? And you have to look at that water. But yeah. Um, Lucky, can you cover me for a few? I'm gonna go eat real quick.
Oh
I'll
yeah.
just be as quick as possible here, but yeah, just give me about a good 10 minutes or so. I'll leave my radar on the special marine warnings because that's kind of like the talk right now.
Yeah. I'll just talk about the 21 warnings, although they're probably gonna get discontinued.
All right, I'll be right back in give or take 10 minutes.
Alrighty. So guys, both chats. Got my chat, TRG's chat. Let me pull up both chats. Alright. So yeah, like I said, first off, I hope everyone's doing good today. Uh, this is a very bad day for people in Florida and Georgia. Basically the East Coast. Definitely not a good day for them with this system. But I mean, we've already, had two fatalities sadly with it. Very bummed about that. Uh, you know, our prayers are with those people that to their families that, lost a loved one today. Definitely not fun. I can definitely tell y'all that.
Yeah, just something that I want to say. There's there should probably be a tornado warning right now for just east of Georgetown. It's got some good outbound and inbound with it too, and it's right in the spot where you would expect the tornado to be in a supercell.
Oh yeah, I see that. And it's got a little hook, but kind of like the hook is a little off, I
Yeah,
guess. You
that
know.
hook might just be a little bit of crap action, but if you see the darker colors, then there might be a hook there. But more over Polly's Island, that's definitely crap action.
Yep.
Anything else that you're
Let's
seeing?
Not really. I'm about to check power outages again real quick. So before it's 280. We're just gonna do the first number for each state. So Florida 280, Georgia 192, goes up to. Oh, actually now they're starting to clear some power outages in Florida. Went from 280 to 256, but now 192 for Georgia went to 212. This is in thousands. And South Carolina's starting to see power outages already. About 15, no, 13,000 people without power.
Anything in Virginia, just in case, or just for TRG if his stream pops out?
around around this area. Nothing much at all. There is 4,000 people without power in Virginia though.
Yeah,
But
there looks to be like a cell split and a cell merger going on in that special marine warning aimed directly at Myrtle Beach.
yeah,
You seeing that? I don't really know what that is because it looks like a cell split and a merge.
yeah,
Hmm. Oh, they just disextended that tornado warning in just north of Charleston.
yeah. And the other
Wait,
one,
hold on.
the Georgia one just.
That's not a disextension. That's a new tornado warning.
Wait, what?
Is it? I don't
No,
know.
no, that's a disc extension.
Oh,
Looks
then I
like.
just haven't seen that one before.
Yeah, the other one in Georgia got discontinued. Probably
Yeah,
meant that.
maybe. No, I definitely meant the one in South Carolina. I just didn't see it before.
Okay.
But yeah, it's still looking pretty bad northwest of Georgetown. Or not Georgetown. Is that George? Yeah, sorry. I don't really know my American geography all that well.
Yeah, no, you good. Me too, bro. Me too. I'm working on it.
But yeah, just over Pawleys Island, and Simmonsville, that area, they've definitely got a mezzo there.
Yep. Yep.
These storms
Um.
coming off. There's definitely a lot of high winds off that rain band forming. Do you see rain band stretching from in between like Charleston and Myrtle Beach all the way out into the ocean. That one's got some pretty hefty winds it's packing.
Yep.
Of course, you can't really tell hurricane winds with radar, but that's 150 kilometers an hour, which is close to 100 miles.
Yeah. That's definitely for sure. That special marine warning that was headed right before the thing had died out, right before it had land. Something that I would do if I got a storm. That's exactly what would happen. I do.
I think that there's another couplet of rotation forming just to the north of Myrtle Beach, or um is that forming or is that yeah, that's new. That's a new one forming. Probably like remnants of the old one though,
Yeah.
to the northwest of Myrtle Beach, but still in the city.
Yep. Yeah, definitely. I can. I'm seeing a camera in Myrtle Beach right now. Definitely. Definitely some flooding ongoing. Storm surge, I would say, isn't too big of a problem right now, but it's can't tell. I mean, definitely you can see some, some like choppy waves. All right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Apparently, there's someone surfing those waves out there.
Where'd you find that at?
Just in TRG's chat, someone mentioned it.
Let me see. Man, that's I saw
Some guy
some bros
surfing
surfing
9-foot waves.
in North Carolina. Casual North Carolina moment. I ain't gonna lie. That would be me. Guys, you sure it's not me? You sure you even talking to Lucky right now? Nah, I would so go surfing. I wouldn't go so far out, but I would definitely try to get some waves.
Yeah. Well, I probably wouldn't, given that there's just like 10 water spouts on the ground right now. But whoa, that new scan for Myrtle Beach is looking pretty intense on velocity. It's got inbound and outbound,
Tornado
like
warning just got
pretty good.
discontinued, so we now have no tornado warnings.
There should be another one though, just for Myrtle Beach
Yeah, I
area
see
heading
that.
towards Granville, Nixonville, and Hand.
Yep.
You got anything to say about that one?
Uh, I think. Wait, what's your scan say? Like what time?
512.
Yeah, so mine's at 5:12. Is it the one?
Should be getting a new one right now.
Is it off the coast?
No, it is directly like northeast of Myrtle Beach,
Oh yeah, I think I see that. Yeah.
just by the what's that place? Plantation Point, just crossing uh Highway 17.
Yeah, I know
I
that.
don't know how
I know
your
that.
highway system works.
Yeah, I know that. No, US 17. Um, yeah, I mean, that is a very, very crazy. All these, small couples you gotta watch out for.
That water spout, that water spout is looking pretty intense with that mezzo over the ocean heading directly towards Myrtle Beach. It's discreet right there, and it's heading straight towards Myrtle Beach with a nice hook on it too. Well,
Yep.
not nice. You know what I mean.
Yeah. Um, let's see. So yeah, I got one camera at Myrtle Beach. I wanna get
All right,
one.
what I miss?
Nothing. Look at DMs real quick.
Myrtle
No
Beach
more
should
tornado warnings.
probably
Yeah.
be tornado warned, in my opinion. It's got a nice hook, nice velocity, and inbound and outbound winds.
You're talking like right over Myrtle Beach, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I see that. I definitely watch it.
Okay, I just got a notification. Who is that? Saying Santiago. I'm not gonna say your name. There's no way. Santiago. Thank you for subscribing. Really appreciate it. Guess what, guys?
2 plus 2 is 5.
22. You're wrong. Anyways, I got to 150.
What?
New tornado warning.
Oh, nice. 150. Ugh.
Jamestown.
Jamestown.
Yep.
Haven't gotten it yet. Should get any higher.
I guess it was the previously. Oh no, it's pretty much in the same area as the previous tornado warning, but it's a different storm.
You said Jamestown, so I'm looking. Oh,
It's looking
It's
pretty,
west of
pretty good
Georgetown.
on radar.
west of
yeah.
Georgetown. Oh, this one. Let me
I
see.
see a few areas now. Where did
Oh,
these
wow.
all come from?
Dude,
See,
yeah,
like
dude,
4.
just too many couplets right now.
Yeah, I see like 4 now.
They're probably
That
all gonna
is,
dissipate now that you're back.
yeah.
Dude, TRG, that thing dissipated as soon as got to the land at Myrtle Beach. That couple I was talking about.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting because the cape lowers as you go onto land.
Yep.
So I expected that, to be honest.
Weird shaped
And
polygon though. Not gonna lie to you.
However, we should probably keep an eye on Myrtle Beach because there's 2 supercells that are
Oh wow, hold on.
got Myrtle Beach directly in their crosshairs.
Oh yeah, yeah. Go to radar and go right back to like right over Myrtle Beach.
I'm looking to the storm just to the west of Myrtle Beach, kind of southwest near Plantersville. That's what I'm really eyeing near Georgetown, just east. It's a cell in between Georgetown and Myrtle Beach.
Oh whoa.
Yeah, that is that rotation corruption
Yeah, I was about
though.
to say, is that
It
corruption?
is, yeah, it is corruption, but that's a storm that I've been watching.
Now go
It's
to
in
Myrtle Beach
the
real
it's in
quick.
the clear slot, so it's corruption.
Myrtle, I'm still personally the most concerning one in like my eyes is the Myrtle Beach storm. Even though it's not tornado warned, it's looking pretty good or pretty bad.
Another tropical weather statement issued for me. Let's see what this one says.
All right.
All right. But yeah.
Those two in the special marine warning are going crazy to the south of Myrtle Beach. Wow, that is now that is full corruption. Look at that. Cell I was just mentioning.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Yep, just like I
That's
was talking about corruption.
yeah.
But yeah, just
So
let me know if you find anything else.
yeah, real quick. So real quick, they said the tropical weather statement. They said this product covers central North Carolina. Idalia to bring heavy rain and winds to southeastern North Carolina this evening through early Thursday. But right,
Oh
right above
wow,
that.
dude, those watches, the warnings, tropical storm warnings go all the way up to Fayetteville now. Wow.
That's
Hey
pretty
TRG,
far.
you mentioned corruption. However, that cell does definitely have that supercell look to it. So I don't really know if that's full corruption, and it's also got a hook echo, which looks like some pretty nice rotation. If we're talking about the same one south of Myrtle Beach.
The corruption one that I was talking about was in between Georgetown and Myrtle Beach in the Plantersville region, just south of Plantersville. The one in the special marine warning, that doesn't look to be corruption. But yeah,
Yeah.
there's a very large hook near Plantersville right now. But I do believe that rotation's still clear air and kind of corruption. But yeah, definitely watching that. So just let me know if you guys see anything.
All right.
Alrighty. Uh,
Like he's trying to find the mute button.
not for real. I
That
was
that
looking
now has
for.
a threshold, by the way, and wouldn't be shocked to see a tornado. Oh,
Oh
and
yeah.
never mind. There is a tornado warning on it. My bad.
Wait, did it just tornado warn
Yeah,
it?
they actually just tornado warned it.
As soon as you said that, hold on.
They
I went.
actually just tornado warned it.
There it goes. I just got the notification. Bucksport, Toddville, Plantersville, South Carolina.
And that is a very strong couplet of rotations. So
Yeah, I'm
yeah, if you're
keeping
in
an
the
eye on
path
that
of
one.
this, like Lucky said, Bucksport. Let's see, St. Paul's is in that. Let's see, Toddville, Woodbury, Plantersville. That is just to the southwest of Myrtle Beach. Quite a very strong couplet of rotation there, strongest that I've seen in a long time.
Yeah, a long time. I was about to say, haven't seen that in a long
And
time.
they just warned the storm back in Georgia as well. So back to 3 tornado warnings for the first time in this stream.
They just They
That
just
that's
warned.
gonna be new. Is that the Newington cell?
That's a new one right above the radar. Wait, that's right where we had the one earlier.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Furman, Scotia.
The Newington is where we had the one earlier, so that's where I thought the tornado warning was. But it's like you said, pretty much on the radar.
I wonder if that's it.
Wow.
Yeah, I can't see anything on that radar. I'm going back to the other one. That was pretty intense.
Yep. I'll keep an eye on it though. So
Yeah,
just let me know if you have anything, which probably will have something in about 10 minutes.
yeah. Also, real quick. So, are you planning on ending coverage in about what, 30 minutes? Well, at least for me, it's 30 minutes. I don't know. I think for you is like 35.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure yet
There
though.
right now there's a lot of tornado warnings, so it doesn't look like it just yet.
We'll see.
I'm good to stay another hour or
All right,
so, like 45 minutes.
all right.
All right. Yeah, I don't know. We may end in 30 minutes. I'll see. It depends on what these tornado warnings do. Definitely gonna keep an eye on this one. I don't know. That looks like corruption a little bit. But yeah, definitely gotta definitely gotta keep an eye on that. Um, power outages about to update. Yep, they're still restoring power also in South Carolina too, and Georgia. Not Georgia. Florida. South Carolina and Florida. They're restoring power still already. Some models have
Hey, Derek, you
this
just whenever you're done.
weakening and going right back up to a category 3. I don't know how that's gonna happen. Hmm. Some models were having this go back and hitting Florida somehow. Yeah, see, there you go. Having it go back and hit Florida. I don't know about that though.
Yeah, what you got?
Just gonna say the new NATO cast came in and they have backed off considerably on not only the size of their um chance areas, but also the like potentness of the ingredients. They have backed off insanely based off of their last um post.
Yeah, I see that. Agreeing highly with the National Weather Service. Still have that 10 sig though.
Yeah, but it is definitely smaller.
Yep. All right.
Yeah, they're definitely something to watch. These tornado warnings. Let's see. Go right here. Yeah, this one's gonna be the one to watch. And let's see if this looks better. Ooh, wow. Kind of like this one better for right now. Wouldn't be surprised if we do see a tornado on the ground. They have the ingredients for it, so it's definitely possible. But yeah, definitely something to note. Let's see. We go right here. We're gonna definitely keep an eye on this storm mainly. Um, go to that Myrtle Beach cam. Hmm. Let's see. Um, yeah, looking at this at a Myrtle Beach camera also. Yeah, let's see. Definitely some pretty pretty hard waves. Definitely something to note. All right. Ooh, we gotta see. We got a little couplet right here also. That's rotating. We got one right here. One right there. That's insane. Wouldn't be surprised if there's a water spout with that. Wouldn't be surprised if we almost had a tornado on the ground with this storm. Hmm. This is going over not so many like houses right now, but that could change any minute. Let's see. Let's see. All right. I feel like it could get maybe a little bit worse tonight with this let's see, with this camera in Myrtle Beach. All right. Um um definitely tropical storm force winds are gonna probably begin in about a couple hours for definitely near like Myrtle Beach and just South Carolina. 21 continues from for Furman and Scotia. Looks like. Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna be mainly just watching these storms right now, especially one of that's let's see what that does. Hmm. I think I watch all these small little couplets. We'll definitely still stay live for the rest of this tornado warning. Then in a little bit we'll call it quits because I gotta get ready for school tomorrow. All that. So yeah, I know it sucks though, but school is important. That's for sure. Some of that water, in Myrtle Beach, definitely. All you see is the ocean, the coast, and then you see these volleyball nets, like all the sand that they used to be flooded. Now some of it's, I guess, like soaked into the ground. Yeah, looks like it's not raining there much anymore right now. We're about to get like another little band of
Hey, Lucky, got a question.
about to get another little band of rain in about 15 minutes. Yep. What you got?
Have you seen much of rotation off of that storm on top of the radar site?
No.
I mean, of course they've warned it for a reason, but I'm just trying to see if, like, maybe you've seen a different angle or something. I do see what looks to be a hook, but I don't think that's actually a hook. I think that's just because it's so close to the radar. But yeah, I
Yeah.
was just wondering if you saw anything on that storm, as well as if you've seen anything other than those two special marine warnings. That is quite tornadic. That
Uh,
that second line kind of looks like it's trying to become less tornadic, like that second outer band. Ooh, look at that storm just south of the radar site in north, or rather southeastern North Carolina,
is
south of
it a
the
special marine warning?
Wilmington. No, it's just to the north of that one actually.
Yeah, I think I see what you mean. It,
Yeah,
it looks like it has a couple, but it looks like it's just nothing.
it's definitely a bean cell, but I don't know if it's developed that couplet yet to be
It's trying.
fully tornadic. Yeah, definitely looks to be on the trying side of things for sure.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, just wanted to see if you noticed any rotation with that tornado warning over the radar.
Yeah, no, not really.
All right.
Alrighty. So hopefully this storm in near Bucksport. Hopefully that gets discontinued. Looks like it's almost dying out, but then we got this storm, a special marine warning out at sea. Definitely probably a water spot with that. That's for sure. But as it gets to land, it's gonna probably weaken a little more. Yeah, we're gonna we're gonna see that. We're gonna see these storms just progress onto land. Hmm. Definitely watching this camera in Myrtle Beach. All right. Let's see. Yeah, we're just
Hey TRG, just whenever you're ready.
Go ahead.
I got two things. One, I'm just getting really worried about that cell, the most northern cell. It's got some really tight rotation in the last scan, and also that Myrtle Beach cell, it's still kicking it out there, still rotating. I don't know if it's gonna get tornado warned or not, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Alrighty. Thank you.
all right. So definitely gotta keep an eye on those storms. Definitely we gotta find any storm that has like any couplet, cause they can just spin up a tornado like at any minute, right? At really at any second, really. But yeah. Um, we're gonna see. We're gonna see about what. Um. Um. All right. Let's see. Definitely gotta watch this storm right here. Also, like I said. Also right here, you gotta watch it. Hmm. There's people walking outside near the beach right now. Hmm. Definitely pretty crazy. Yeah, we'll probably end coverage here in the next 20 minutes. We've done after this stream is done, we've done 4.5 hours of coverage today from this hurricane. We watched it make landfall. Basically, streamed 2 hours after that. But yeah, definitely definitely gonna. I'm still gonna keep an eye on stuff, and I don't know when the next stream will be or next video, cause like I said, I have school starting tomorrow. So 21 continues for Jamestown, South Carolina. 21 continues for Scotia, South Carolina. Also, also 21 continues. 21 continues for Georgetown County. As I couple it again. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Yeah, this storm is still pretty intense, especially with the rotation. It's still got some decent rotation with it. Yeah, this one's like this velocity just broke, like a tiny bean cell. If you're just joining, make sure you like the stream. It helps YouTube push the stream out to more people. We can let them know what weather is coming their way. We can give them the coverage that they need also. But yeah, definitely something to know about all these little storms coming onto land. This storm may die out because what's it called? It's definitely decay values decrease as you get to land. There's a lot of energy out in the sea right now. That's why if this system was over land, it'd be pretty bad. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, here comes that rain band. Another rain band on this camera. Hey TRG. Definitely this rain band's
Go
about
ahead.
to. So there's another rain band hitting that camera in Myrtle Beach. I don't know if you have it up, but I do. But
No, because I don't know where the camera is.
you wanted me to give you the link?
Nah, it's good.
Alright,
But
but
what is it?
definitely that's basically it. The rain bands, waves are pushing more, more inland, I guess. And definitely heavy rain, heavy winds right now.
All right.
Also,
Did you see that new mesoscale discussion?
no, I have not.
Yeah, I just went over that. But yeah, thanks.
Alrighty. Yeah, we're gonna end here in about 15 minutes. Oh,
Hey TRG, just letting you know I'm gonna be here for about 20 minutes and then I gotta head out.
All
yeah,
right.
definitely, definitely if you haven't already, make sure like the stream. Like I said, helps YouTube do its thing and push the stream out to people, and we can let them know what weather is coming their way. We could give them the coverage that they need. Although we are ending in about 15 minutes or so. These 20 warnings are about to expire unless they get continued. Which I don't see why they would get continued except for this one right here. But even that one, I don't see why it would get continued. Interesting. Yeah, definitely. I'm still watching that camera. That's gonna be a yeah. Visibility's down to the May. Like you can barely see out to sea. That's how far you can see. You can barely see it. There's someone with a bike right next to the ocean also. Of course, he's a little more on the elevated side to where the waves shouldn't get to him, but definitely the winds are definitely getting crazy there. Let's see. Um, we're gonna see if we can get like like a little weather station in Myrtle Beach. Hmm. Um. Yeah. It's definitely pretty crazy. These 21s are probably about to get discontinued. So we'll be covering for about 10 minutes after this 21 expires. Then really just just really calling it quits, and we're still gonna keep an eye on it. If anything is that I may need to go live for, then I'll probably go live, but no promises on that because I do have to get ready for school tomorrow, like I said. But yeah,
Hey, Lucky.
yep,
If you look just south of the KLTX radar and southeastern North Carolina, that's going to be a special marine warned cell. It's starting to ramp up with rotation. Still a little while to go before it gets really organized, but wouldn't be surprised to see that pose a real tornado threat there, a quite good tornado threat there for the Ocean Isle Beach area.
yeah. I've been looking at that for a while actually. It's been catching my attention.
Yep, it's just starting to wrap up most recently, and I just wanted to make sure you've seen it. And
Yep,
it seems like two tornado warnings were canceled, and we are left with one tornado warning that expires within the minute.
it's canceled now.
Oh, I still got it. 0 minutes is when it expires. There it goes. Yep. So that leaves no tornado warning. So yeah. Honestly, I don't think it would be a terrible idea to continue the live stream. However, it's really up to you
I'm
and if
ending
you're gonna
probably
stay.
in about five
Yeah.
minutes, under
Then I
10
guess
minutes.
I'll join you with that. Then I'll be ending in 10 as well. So yeah, I'll talk to you in just a little bit here.
Alrighty. But yeah, guys, we're gonna end it about maybe like 10 minutes because I definitely wanna. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Um, let's see. We're gonna do. We're gonna check this. We have no tornado warnings now, but we're gonna cover. We're gonna cover this. This right now. Let's do. All right. Yeah. So just had to check something. That rain band is hitting Myrtle Beach right now. Some few gusty winds. Definitely gonna see more with that tonight. Um, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens with this system. It's probably gonna weaken to like maybe like 50 mile per hour winds overnight, but we'll see. There we go. There goes this one. Now it's starting to ramp up in rotation as it approaches land. It's kind of crazy too. Let's see. I gotta see if we gotta see and make sure this thing probably weekends before it hits land, hopefully. Let's see. Um, dude, I promise you, if I could help, and in Florida, I definitely would. I'll uh, I'll see if I can do something. I'll definitely try to maybe.
Hey, Lucky.
All right, let's see what Terry got. He has something for us. Yep.
Did you notice the NHC has this making landfall in Bermuda?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just now saw that. They
Did
have the track going right over Bermuda.
yeah? Did earlier I mentioned it? I was like, yeah, Bermuda's gonna get hit with this.
Yeah, so that's definitely something to keep in mind for sure, especially if the system could strengthen in the waters or whatnot. But it looks like it's going to maintain tropical storm force winds. Um,
There
so
goes my other
very
question.
interesting.
Also wait, maybe hold on. Whoa, hold on.
All right.
All right. So, all right. All right.
You guys any more all rights, man?
Dude.
I'm just
So
gonna
that
go
is
get a drink of water and then I'll be back.
All right.
you got
That's all
interrupted
right too.
by my
I don't see any other areas of interest in like the Gulf for the next couple weeks, which
yeah.
specifically the next 1 week right now, like a single week. I don't see anything interesting. Which brings me to the CPC. I don't know if Lucky saw the CPC, but for September 6th through September 12th, they have a really good chance of tropical development, 40% chance of tropical development out there in the main development region. And like I said, nothing in the Gulf for the next week or so. So definitely something to keep in mind. Anything can spin up in the Gulf, just like this system did. But models don't hint towards it right now, so it does not hurt to be weather aware, though. So the main thing was I didn't know it was supposed to make landfall in Bermuda, or could. And yeah,
All right, yeah. So, do you think tropical storm warnings will be issued for Bermuda maybe by, maybe tomorrow night?
definitely not. Definitely not. We won't see watches for another at least 24 hours. We'll likely see tropical storm watches out if it's set to impact Bermuda. Friday, I'd say, is when those watches will come out and then turn into warnings by early Saturday. The earliest I see watches is like tomorrow night around the 8 p.m. advisory. That's like the earliest I see watches coming out, but they've got to increase the confidence right now. They're still not confident in that.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
my impacts, if I did get any wins, my arrival times for wins overnight. So it's like every other tropical system that if I ever get hit.
Are you gonna stay up all night like you did with
Nope. 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 I actually
yeah,
did that once with oh, what hurricane was it?
was it like Zeta or whatever that one was?
It was
2020,
yeah, something in 2020. It was
the Isaias one.
yeah, Isaias.
Yeah, that one.
That
I
made
remember that.
landfall as a hurricane at like I don't know 11, like 10, 11 p.m. or something like that. I don't know exactly. It was I stayed up all night. It was gone by 3 a.m., 3 4 a.m.
I
It
bet
was
you passed out rapidly, huh?
yeah. After
Passed
that,
out
yeah,
quick. What do you think that cell's doing south of the radar? On the scan before our most recent one, it kind of looked like two couplets, which is crazy. It didn't actually do two couplets, but it was definitely a hook there.
oh
So
yeah.
that's very interesting. But tropical activity is still continuing here for sure.
Look at that storm out at sea. Is like right behind the special marine warning North Carolina. Like right behind that special marine warning.
Yeah,
Pretty, pretty decent. But
definitely an area of rotation for sure on most of these storms.
yep,
So I'm gonna continue to watch them. I may stay live a little bit longer than you, just because just to make sure this tornado threat's gonna die out here. It's
yeah.
not gonna fully die out though.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
Well, I already missed my ending time, so
Most models are saying it's supposed to die out within the next hour or two.
really, I'm
Yeah,
surprised. I thought this would be continuing into the overnight hours, considering that 10% goes so far east.
it looks to be mainly offshore with like the Sigtor and Supercell composite on HRRR and NAM3K.
Interesting. That's very interesting. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here. Basically, I want to thank everyone that joined today's stream. Both of them. I really appreciate it. I don't know when the next stream or upload will be, but I'll try to get one out soon. I can't give a date because if I give a date and that it doesn't happen, I don't want to be like a liar, but we'll see. But yeah, so if you guys did enjoy today's stream, please like and subscribe and turn the post notification bell on so you do get notified when I do go live or when I make a video. Also, please share this channel with your friends and family so we can get the word out to people. We can let them know what weather is coming their way. And yeah, join the Discord server. It's the first link in the description. It's a very fun server, a lot of cool members, a lot of active members. So you always have someone to talk to. You always have someone to talk to. If you ever want to talk to me outside of stream, I'll go in there sometimes and talk in there. But yeah. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, great night, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, guys. Peace.